Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I, Noordin Haji.
Muthenya wa keri, mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Noordin Haji uria urikitie kwamurwo ni President William Ruto gutongoria ruhonge rwa ugaceru ekinyitie mbere ya kamiti ya urangiri na maundu manja ya bururi ya Mbunge gũthũrimwo wagiriru wake wira-ini mweru uria athukiirwo. Haji akiuga ni hariirie gutigirira ruhonge ruu ni rurongania riboti cia ugaceru ciguteithiriria ukinyaniria wa ugitiri.
And this is not a gift, as you are trying to say, or a token from His Excellency the President. I think a lot of thought was put into this, and His Excellency the President must have seen the value of having me as his nominee. As a Director General of National Intelligence Service. Haji
ni atiteire ruhonge rwa NIS akiuga ni rwaheanire riboti cia ugaceru mbere ya ngero ya Shakahola kuhanika.
Probably the rest of us within the criminal justice system might have to review how to action intelligence.
No ni atunganite na mururumo wa ciuria kuma kuri amemba kamiti yo makiuria gitumi giake ateanirie macira kihiri makiria ma ateti na andu mari igweta ari gituro-ini giake kia mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi.
You are on record coming very strongly to say that a case is sealed and you have enough material to prosecute, only to drop it later.
Some of the document examined by the document examiners at the DCI office were done fraudulently by the officers through coercion by their in charge.
Kenyans trust you that you will not drop high-profile intelligence the way you dropped high-profile cases.
And I'm saying again, I stand by the withdrawals that I made, and I make no apologies whatsoever. And that is part of being a person of integrity.
And this has brought some soft underbelly in terms of the office of ODPP and accountability.
The issue of withdrawal is a constitutional power that I was given. Nobody under the Constitution can come and question those powers. And if anybody wants to question how that decision was made, then there is a court of law.
Haji uria wanaruta wira ruhonge-ini ruru rwa ugaceru hau kabere augite ofici ya thitango iri na rutha kiwatho kweheria cira o wothe irona ni ukwagarara kihoto kia muthitangwo na ekire uguo mari unyitaniri-ini na magoti na acirithania na tiwe wa mbere guteaniria macira ni amu makiria macira 50,000 ni mateanirio thiini wa miaka 5 ma andu a ikiro ciothe mamwe magiteanirio ni aria mari ofici-ini ya mutwari wa thitango cia muingi mbere yake miaka 3 mihituku.
There are sweeping statements that have been thrown at me, none of which have the requisite statements, including accusing me of saying that I was coerced and I made the decision under duress.
Gukiri uguo augite uthuthuria baraginyo wa macira maria ofici yake ithitangite andu na magatwirwo ni ukwanjiriria nigetha kumenyeke uma wamo na korwo mathitangirwo kimahitia maabitha a DCI aria mekire uthuthuria ucio mathitangwo. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.